What if I told you that your smartphone or your laptop could actually be your gateway to making about 100,000 or 150,000 naira monthly? Now, this business I want to share with you guys is a business that I worked with years back, and I was able to join a contribution of 150k monthly without my salary. Now, this is not even only me. I've had people who have actually worked in this kind of business, and they've made a whole lot of money. Now, in this video, I'll be sharing with you the big opportunity in this business, why you should go into this business, the challenges you're going to face in this business, real fact about this business, how you can start this particular business from the comfort of your home. In fact, this business is not gender selective at all. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this video for the very first time, this is Kemi of Self Hustle, and welcome back. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can make at least 150k monthly from selling motor spare parts and accessories. Now, motor spare parts on its own is a big niche. Now, a sub niche of it is selling the accessories. Now, you can choose any part you want to go into. But the first thing I want us to know is the big opportunity in this particular business. Now, motor spare part has a market size of about $500 million to $900 million. Now, annual revenue. It is a big giant business. Yes, a big giant business. For you to even know that it is a big giant business in Nigeria is when you remember or when you observe the fact that Igbo men are into this business. Now, you don't know how much is in this business until you go into it or you work with someone that is doing this business. Is the reason why you should go into this business is the fact that every year people repair cars. Not even every year. People do car maintenance every month. Bigger companies are going into car production every month, every year. They are producing more cars. Those are using fuel, those are using gas, those are using electricity. A lot of cars are being produced every year, and a lot of repairs are being done every year. Now, a lot of cars are aging in Nigeria. So definitely they need new auto parts, new spare parts, and a lot of accessories. Now, the next thing is also the fact that in Nigeria, 60% of the cars we have here in Nigeria have been on the road for the past 12 years. So definitely the brake pad will be faulty, they'll want to repair it. The belt will be faulty, they'll want to repair it. You understand? They will also want to buy brake oil. They will also want to, buy wheel screen, do all of those things. So definitely this is a market that is high in demand, but is secret. So a lot of people don't talk about it because they feel you need a lot of money to invest. But I'm here to share with you that you can do this from the comfort of your home without even owning a big store or a big warehouse. Now, it's easy online. Yes, you can sell it online if you have if you know how to go about it. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom, you can start this business online. Now, according to research, this business is bound to grow by 15% in the year 2032. This business is bound to grow by 15% according to research. So with that being said, guys, if you think this business is what you want to jump into, you can jump into it because it's fast growing, and by the year 2032 it will grow beyond this. And the margin, the interest rate is massive. The next thing we actually have to look into are the challenges of this business, because there is no business without its own challenges. There is no business without its own risk. Anybody who tells you that there is a particular business they want you to do that it has no challenges or no risk, believe you me, they are lying. Yes, every business has its own challenges and it has its own risks. Now, the number one challenges that a lot of auto parts dealers actually face is counterfeit product or trust issues. Yes, because there are a lot of Aba boys in Nigeria that are making a replica of what people are importing. You have an imported brake pad and someone in Aba is making that brake pad for lesser amounts. You see that there is an issue. So you need to go into this business with a genuine mind of selling genuine auto parts, and you need to do that by learning about this auto part. You have YouTube at your disposal. You have YouTube at your disposal to learn more about it. You have TikTok to learn more about it. You have other platforms. You have Google itself to also learn more about it. Now, the next thing is the supply and import delay. Now, if you're importing these accessories or this part from China, you might have issues with delays and shipping and custom. You need to figure out how to balance it. For me, I would actually advise that if you have some goods that are actually moving fast. You can get them from the local market here in Nigeria. And by the end of this video, if you stick to the end of this video, I will be sharing with you the biggest market for auto parts, and where you can get every accessory you are looking for at a ridiculously cheap amount. Yes. Now the next thing is logistics. You need to let those that will be shipping for you, let them know that these are fragile products. You get, I'm not talking about the engines area and all of that. I'm talking about some accessories. Some accessories are glass, your windscreen, your side mirrors. They are all fragile items. So you need to let your logistics know, and you also need to let your delivery date be your delivery date. Think that you promise your supplier, your customers, that they will receive their items by Monday, and then you deliver maybe by Friday. That will have a whole lot of trust issues. Now, for you to do this business, you need to be educated about this business, and you also need to educate your customers about it. Yes, because some customers will just come and tell you that they want to buy this, they want to buy that, without even knowing. Maybe a customer says, I want to buy Toyota brake pad. Okay, what is the model number? Which year was this car produced? They don't know. You understand? We have Toyota Camry, we have Sports, we have a lot of Toyota made and shipped to Nigeria. So you have the brake parts for different cars with their model numbers. You understand? If it is actually the accelerator, the brakes, any other thing that you have, they need to know what model number. You also need to research about all these cars and the engines and their model numbers and here and Camry. So you need to also know, so that you can educate your buyers as well. So next thing is, there are different sections of this business have different sections. The cheapest section you can go into for this particular business is the accessories area. Yes, the accessories area. For instance, this particular thing, I don't know if you can see it. Is an accessory. Yes, it is a car accessory. This particular one, I don't know if you can see it. It is a car accessory. It's different from the engine. The battery is different from all those, and these are really one of the cheapest items when it comes to cars. The dashboard cover, yes, the dashboard cover, the car seat, like this car seat I'm actually using, these are actually accessories. You understand? So now, for instance, this particular 360 car mount holder, as you can see, so I saw it online for about, I think, 14,000 thereabouts, and my supplier actually sold this to me because I ordered it from China. As you can see, my supplier actually sold this to me for less than 5,000 naira. Yes, my supplier sold this to me for less than 5,000 naira. Now let's assume that you don't even have the money to import. You understand? You can always go to the market, the local market in Lagos State. You can actually go there to actually buy those items like this. You drop your reviews on them, and you ask people to visit your website to buy from you. Now this is drop shipping. This is another sub niche in this business. You understand? You can drop ship these items, and this is one of the ways you can do these items from the comfort of your home. The next thing is partial stocking. Partial stocking actually means that you stock up the items that are moving faster, maybe in your house or in your shop, and sell them online. Now there are some items in the car, or there are some car items that actually move faster, like this car seat, this armrest, there are a lot of items. This gear cover here, there are a lot of items that actually move fast, so you can decide to stock on those items and actually sell out. Now the next one is, that's another section of the business. Another section of this business is actually wholesale. You can decide to stock a lot. That is, if you have a lot of money. If you've watched the video to this level and you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Help your girl by sharing this video with someone somewhere that needs this video, or someone that needs to know more about how to get their accessories in a cheaper, or how to get car accessories cheaper. You can actually share these videos with them. Now the next thing is for you to understand the places where you can add items. The first thing is TikTok. You can create a video about this car mount and sell it on TikTok. Now you can create a video about this chair cover and sell it on TikTok. You can create a video about it and sell it on TikTok, or look for videos and pictures if you don't have them. Maybe you're a drop shipper and you don't even have any of these things. You can look for their videos and their pictures, and you join them on CapCut, and you start posting on TikTok for people to actually buy from you. Now the next thing is to go to website like Gigi or Konga to actually sign up and start uploading. Another marketplace is Facebook is one of the biggest marketplace as well. You can go on there, sign up and start posting your product on Facebook Marketplace. Another strategy to making money with this business is to create combo deals. You understand? Especially if you're posting on TikTok, you can actually create combo deals like brake parts, the brake, something within that range. Like instead of Formica, you can create a package for it. Like if you're selling this car seat now, you can sell it with the armrests and a whole lot of things like a combo. You understand? Now to the big deal. If you're looking to start small, the market you can go to and do the major research is Ladipo Market in Lagos State. Ladipo Market in Lagos State is the biggest market here in Nigeria that sells motor spare parts. There is nothing you're looking for that is not available in Ladipo Market. Yes. Now, if you have watched this video to this level and you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel, like this video and give this video a thumbs up. Now, please be careful when you go to Ladipo Market, because Ladipo Market, if you are not wise, you get scammed. Those Igbo boys, they are always around calling you, touching you. If it's possible, use a nose mask. Use a nose mask. Don't talk to any of them. Just look for main shops, main warehouses that you can actually go to. If it's possible, safe. If you're going for the first time, do not go with any money. Just go there and do your research. Then on your next visitation, you can go with cash, and anything you want to buy, you can buy it. So guys, I think this is actually a secret business here in Nigeria that people are actually cashing out from, and they are not sharing it with other people. Let me know, guys, if you have any questions about this particular business, you can state it in the comment section and I'll create a video about it. And also let me know if this is a profitable business and how profitable do you think this business is in Nigeria. With that being said, guys, I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.